it's a great feeling because there is some a long relation with IFFI. मेरी पहली फिल्म जो थी जन्म वो भी IFFI में आई थी. उससे पहले मैं क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर था एक फिल्म को, वो भी IFFI में आई थी. लास्ट ईयर ज्योति मैडम का भी एक जो फिल्म ये थी डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी वो भी IFFI में आई थी. और आज कंटिन्यू चौथी बार मैं IFFI में आ रहा हूँ, तो इट्स वेरी ग्रेट फीलिंग.
Congratulations for the same as well.
दिस फिल्म इज अबाउट ड्रग्स. आज जो समाज में ड्रग्स के बारे में जो ड्रग्स का माहौल है, माहौल ही कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि एवरी नुक्कड़ पे आज ड्रग्स बेचे जा रहे हैं. तो उसका अवेयरनेस जो ज्योति मैडम ने जब बोला मुझे कि भाई ड्रग्स के ऊपर फिल्म करनी है, तो पहले तो हमें ड्रग्स के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. लेकिन कुछ डॉक्टर से बात की, कुछ जिनको मालूम है उनसे बात की, और उसके बाद ज्योति मैडम ने स्क्रिप्ट लिखा. और स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के बाद गोवा में जब शूटिंग, एक तो गोवा में शूटिंग बोलेंगे तो बहुत मजा आता है. एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी गोवा में शूट करने. और गोवा की जो मुझे टीम मिली है, डॉक्टर पॉल है, अजीत सर है, ये सब जो रूपा मैडम है, ये टीम इतनी बढ़िया है कि मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं है कि ये सब लोग पहली बार या दूसरी बार काम कर रहे हैं. तो प्रोफेशनल से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा काम ये सब लोगों ने किया है. ये मेरी अकेले की फिल्म नहीं है, सबकी फिल्म है. और मेन ये फिल्म ज्योति मैडम की है. ज्योति मैडम ने जो मेहनत की है ये फिल्म के लिए, हम तो कुछ नहीं, हम एक पार्ट है उसके.
Well, it's a team effort as well, as I can say. Anyways, can I have the co-producer Sampada ma'am, if you can just step up ahead and share us your experience of working on this film and getting on such a big platform, IFFI 55.
Firstly, I want to congratulate my entire team. This movie selected, and it's about social awareness. And every movie that we have done before is also gives a social message. And this is about the biggest problem that we face, since youth is the future of the country and they have been trapped. So we have tried our best to show how the youth is trapped. The good kids, you know, who are studious, comes from good family, rich people, how they have been given the taste of drugs, and then they're forced to buy, and then they're forced to sell the drugs. And I think it will just create awareness, and we are extremely delighted to showcase this film in this IFFI platform in Goan section. And I hope it's a bit to do some awareness about the drugs and save our youth.
Well, thank you for bringing such a topic. Yes. Alright, can I have Dr. Paul, if you can just come up and share us about something special about your role that you're playing in this film as well.
Yeah, it's a film wherein I play a role of a doctor. And this film is based on the drug awareness and its consequences and how to come out of it. Now, you know, drug addiction has taken place in each and every part of our society. It has reached the families, and even the youths are falling prey to it. So, and the main important about this movie is it shows how to come out of it. That is what important. Secondly, it has got a powerful story. It has got a wonderful screenplay, and the dialogues are fabulous. I think each and everybody must watch it, especially the children and the parents. It sounds very simple, you know, this drug abuse and all, okay? And it's very common. It's a very common topic. But once it is proclaimed on a social media or an electronic media like a film, it creates a lifelong impact on the brain. So I think it's a fantastic movie on drug abuse, and its awareness and its knowingness. I think everybody should go for it.
First of all, congratulations to the entire team. As I said, bright smiles, bright energy, lovely morning, and we have the screening of Gundada today. Saina sir, up between the front. IFFI 2022, Vagro, reaching, flying across 5 continents. This year you had 2 films being screened, and today one of them. So how are you feeling?
I can feel nothing but great, and it's a double bonanza for this year's IFFI. But I think after the Indian Panorama screening of Vagro, I think it feels really personal and very at home kind of a feeling to screen our film at the Goan section of IFFI, because it's a great initiative to give representation to the local filmmakers, also the local cast, crew, everyone, and I think initiatives like this need to be really backed and motivated. So I really thank ESG for doing that year by year.
Well, thank you so much for that one. And share us something more about this film and why is it so special being screened here at IFFI?
First of all, I'll tell you something about the film. The film is about an artist who's trying to say something. And to be very frank, everyone here who's like with me here is striving to say something, whether they're an actor, filmmaker, cinematographer. So when we first, the story is by Dr. Milind Damle and the screenplay is by Dr. Milind Damle. He's also produced the film. So when he first told me the story, that an artist is trying to say something and no one is trying to get it, I thought I kind of got it, what he was saying. But the story then maneuvers around something which is very deep in our culture, that is Indian classical music, and it revolves around the system and the values of a family. So everything that is Indian yet that is very universal. So we thought on these foundations we had a great story to tell. And then Suraj, my cinematographer, who shot the film, and we shot the film at Savardekar Wada, the 400-year-old house in Savardem. So that also really matters because the architecture of the place really gives you an essence of where Goa's culture has come from.
Well, thank you so much, sir. And we have a cute little child artist right in front of me. Alright, how are you feeling right now? Kasi dista? Bari dista, I love this man as well, like cute little. Okay, tu sange famous ata, kasi dista? I mean like, bari dista. Anyways, thank you so much, Sai, that was a child artist from this film as well. So we have Subraya Joshi, sir. Okay, and he's all here, super excited as well. How are you feeling, sir, having your film being screened? उमेदी नसात तुमची मूवी हांगा स्क्रीन जाता I love the answer as well. Anyways, thank you so much. So this was our team, Guntada Rudahe by Sainath Duskekar, and we also have Kamal. So Kamal, so if you can just step up ahead. And so 14 out of 25 selected. This was the last one and the Goan section. So what was the thinking behind getting these 14 films selecting out of 25?
See, most of the films are very well made. I mean, these were selected ones, and important films in terms of issues or in terms of construction, form, and the story, human emotions. This one was my quite favorite. This film, because it's dealing with memory and very human film, and so that's all.
Well, thank you so much for bringing out the best of Goan cinema on the global platform as well. Thank you. So I just want to share something. Anything like this?
I just want to introduce the people on the red carpet. We have Sangram Singh Gaikwad, who is the production head for the film. Rajesh Pendikar sir, who is the lead actor. Adisha Payangle, who assisted me in direction. Of course, Subraya Joshi, the 91-year-old young actor. You should watch out for his performance in the film. Then Darela Lobo, Kamalji, Rati ma'am, who is the lead actress in the film. Saeed Shivrikar, who you should watch out for again. Suraj Thakur, my batchmate and the cinematographer of the film. And Mandar Zog, who is the actor in the film. Here, missing on the red carpet are the editor Nilesh Meena Rasar, the sound designer Sanil Levy, and Dr. Milind Damle, who is the producer as well as the writer of the film. So, thank you.
Out of 25 movies, 14 were selected. 4 under Goan Directors segment and 10 under Goan Producers segment. So I wish all of them all the very best, and may the message, what I want to say to these movies, reach out to the ends of our state and reach out to the ends of the world.
My name is Chaya Monkar, and we have produced a Marathi movie called as Prarabdha. It's a great feeling when it is there for such a big event of IFFI getting selected over here, and makes us all feel great for as Goans getting selected for this. Thank you ESG, thank you Goa government for allowing us such a big platform for this particular movie. The movie is all about social awareness, about drink and drive, the issues that we are facing in Goa. So the movie is all about that.
I am Dr. Sansgiri. I am the production house, Vijay Sansgiri Productions proprietor. So, in fact, I'm extremely thankful to Goa government, the ESG, for selecting our project, our film, which is indeed a very sensitive film. It is made in a very with some seriousness. The content is very good. It is basically it is on social stigma. It is on social awareness of hit and run cases which are happening all around Goa nowadays because of drinking. So I am really again thankful, and I would like all of you to give us some blessings for the success of the film and many more to come.
Thank you, Goa government, for giving us such a big platform over here. We did this movie for basically a social cause. When we decided to make this movie, when we were doing the scripting of this movie, it was all about giving a message. And the message was, don't drink and drive. Because it does not only ruin the family who is drinking and driving, but it is also ruining the front person who meets with an accident because of somebody else's fault. So the entire movie is about this aspect of don't drink and drive. Technically, yes, we did this movie in 2 days' time. Honestly speaking, there were a lot of technical glitches also that happened. But yes, it was overall a good experience in getting this movie done.